Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in today in the Dahlia Sewciety. It's Kristen here and I have got a brand new website launch to tell you guys all about. I'm so excited to be launching my bespoke secret sewing boxes. I really hope you can snap one of these up. I've had quite a lot of people already asking me if they can pre-order, and I must let you know that now that the website is up and live, I'll put links below this episode that will take you straight to the website. It will let you know all about the bespoke sewing boxes, what is inside them, when you can purchase them. So the first one will be launched Sunday night. You will be taken straight through to put an order in. They are in really extremely limited numbers. We are starting off at 30 boxes for the first drop and seeing where we go from there. Although I would love to show you what's inside this box, I think it's very important to keep that secret. The boxes will be launched every second Sunday of the month, Sunday night, and it's Australian Eastern Standard Time. They will be for Australian, New Zealand, international delivery as well. All the prices are on the website, so you can head over and check those out. I do have a lot of payment methods there. There's also Afterpay, and I know a lot of you are very keen to use Afterpay because I know myself, I'm a big fan of it as well. It spreads out the payments and it makes it a little bit easier if you're going to be doing this every month. Now, it's not on the subscription service. You can actually purchase these as you wish. Very excited to launch that. Now, each month I will be doing a seasonal theme. Now, hopefully we're going to be doing 2 boxes a season, but maybe even a box a month if I can manage that. We'll see how we go. But each box will be seasonally themed, and also it'll have a theme to carry it through. The first box is called Art Nouveau, and the fabric itself, although I can't tell you anything about it, I can show you a little bit of a color palette. So if you are interested in buying this box and you don't want to be given any hints away, turn away now. Or you can either go to the website and check out underneath the box. If you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you'll see a little bit of a hint there as far as some artwork I've seen that I think maybe the colours could be very similar. The first box was really inspired by the art movement, Art Nouveau, and I love some of the artworks shown there as well. I just think it's very, very inspiring. So it shows you a bit of a palette. Also, being seasonally themed, maybe give you a bit of an idea as to what could be inside the box. There's a beautiful luxury scented item in there as well. I'll let you know what's in the box as far as what it contains. It contains 2 to 2.5 meters of beautifully curated quality fabric, handpicked by me. So I've done all the guesswork for you. I know a lot of you over the past 2 or 3 years, nearly 3 years now, have actually all said that you love the fabrics I've chosen and that you would love me to point you in the direction where I purchase it. So I am going to be taking all that guesswork out of it for you. And if you let me choose the fabric and I can put it in my hands, and I'll hopefully you're going to love exactly what I've chosen to put in there. So as well as that, you'll get some matching Gutermann thread. You'll also be given a beautiful sewing notion that will change each month, each season as well. And you'll also be receiving a Collie in the Machine label to put in your Me Made. The most exciting gifts, I think, are the beautiful little luxury items. Gifts of the month will be changing. There'll be a handmade artisan gift from an independent maker or a beautiful boutique brand that I've personally chosen and loved before in the past. And the most exciting gift in there for me, being a foodie, is the gourmet treat that you'll receive from small independent companies showcasing their beautiful yummy gourmet treats, as well as a beverage to complement that. So if you love the sound of that box and you love things that are hand curated and you really want to treat yourself and spoil yourself, think about ordering one of these boxes, and they'll be changing every month. Now these will be on pre-order the second Sunday of each month, and then sent out 2 weeks later. So if you really want to grab one of these, I suggest you get in quick because the numbers are limited. The most exciting thing about the box is that I'll be showing you what I've done with the fabric. There'll be a special little postcard in there with a QR code that you'll be able to scan with your phone or type into your computer, and you can see an exclusive video of exactly what I've made up with that fabric. And it will also give you access to a discount code if you wanted to buy that particular pattern. If you haven't got it already and you'd like to make it, you'll get a special discount to purchase that. So that video will be exclusive, like a Patreon style, for the person that's bought that box. You can also buy it as a gift if you'd like to gift someone and make a perfect Mother's Day gift. I think here in Australia in May it is coming up for Mother's Day, so any keen sewist in your family I think would really love what's in this box. So don't forget to go and head over and check out the website. I really hope you'll love what I've put on there. I've put a bit of a bio all about me and about the channel. Hopefully these boxes are a success. I'm hoping to have a bit of a fabric store on there with a few hand curated fabrics. And those fabrics will be chosen by me. And as you know, that this is an online business for me that I'm just starting. It's all a bit up in the air at the moment. I must say a huge thank you to Andrea from Beyond the Pink Door. I have been speaking to her and she's been giving me advice and telling me exactly what's working for her and what you guys have been loving. Really excited to be an Aussie and launching these boxes because we don't have anything like this over in Australia as yet. So I think it'd be great to be the first one to do this, and hopefully it's an ongoing thing that's going to be really well received by you guys. I'm so excited to launch this, and I've put so much time and effort into making sure that you're going to love exactly what's in these boxes, because I myself, I'm very particular about things as far as fabrics that I use, things that I use myself, little luxury items, and especially those edible gifts. They have been tried and tested as well. Believe you me, I am all about food, good food, and a good cuppa as well. All the details for these boxes will be listed over on the website, so go ahead and check it out too if you wanted to know more about these. That's where all the info will be. So wish me luck. All the info for these boxes as far as pricing and postage details will all be linked below. But if you wanted to find out, the boxes will be $79 Australian dollars, and that is plus postage. So anywhere in the world, I'm happy to send them to you. If you're happy to pay the postage, you must know that Australia, it does cost quite a bit of a hefty amount to send things over to the US and the UK. But if you're happy with that, I'm happy to send them to you. Thanks so much for listening today. A bit of a new venture for me, but I'll be back with some more sewing content as soon as possible. I'm actually in the middle of editing a vlog right now all about wedding ready ideas. A lot of you are going to weddings at the moment, or maybe even in weddings, and you want a bit of pattern inspiration. So that will be coming very shortly. Thanks for watching. I appreciate that. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, I would love it if you could do that. And also a thumbs up would be great if you've enjoyed today's vlog. Stay safe. We'll see you soon. Bye for now.